Okay, coming to you live from New York City in the Cloud Expo. I'm here with Pradeep Sitaram. Pradeep, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Doing well. So you just got off stage and you were talking about how you've been using the Boomi product. Can you tell us a little bit about your company, Enterprise Business Partners, and why you decided to go with Boomi?
Sure. Enterprise is a large national nonprofit. What we do is we build affordable housing for people all over the United States. We've been around for about 30 years. We've invested over $11 billion. There's 280,000 homes, and over 1 million people live in an enterprise home. The stat what we like to say a lot is every 55 minutes or so, somebody moves into an enterprise-built home. So fundamentally, that's our work that we do. We bring together resources, capital, debt, and grants and donations together so that we can do our work. Now, the initial challenge that we solved with Boomi was we manage over 1,600 properties, and we have to manage these properties for a period of 15 years. Now, each of these properties sends us on a weekly, monthly, annual basis financial reports and occupancy reports and such. Now, it gets very complicated because these reports come in, and they come in sometimes several times a day even, because there's sends and then resends and mods. We had, prior to my joining Enterprise, and I've been there about a year, prior to my joining Enterprise, they had contracted out to a data consolidator who is responsible for collecting these reports from the 1,600 properties and then preparing it for us to take and load into our systems. What I was facing was a proposal that from another technology, from Microsoft-based technology, that for phase one, I was looking at potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars and probably 4 to 6 months. So instead of just signing that proposal and going ahead with Microsoft, what I decided to do was to look and see if there's any cloud-based technologies out there for us to do exactly the same thing. So we spent a couple of weeks evaluating the technologies, integration technologies in the cloud. We picked Boomi, and in 4 weeks we were able to, and for less than $1,500, we were able to do exactly what the giant proposal was claiming that it was going to do in 4 to 6 months. So that was the initial problem. The more longer-term problem that we have is we've got hundreds of applications, over 70 databases that a lot of them are old and broken that we have to modernize. And I have a small team. I have only 30 people. So the answer for us is strategic architecture that we're going to is cloud-centric, and most of our business and mission operations is going on to Salesforce.com. But going to the cloud is not as simple as just going to flip in a switch. This is a multi-year project, so we knew that we'd always have to integrate back to legacy systems for one, but even afterwards there'd be multiple technologies in the cloud that we'd have to integrate with. So Boomi, in our strategic vision, is going to support all that. So it's going to be a strategic integration platform.
Excellent. And so how much longer do you think that it'll be for this project to continue?
Well, we've already started on the next phase. We just purchased the SO framework. So we're starting with building out, designing and building out integration services. So that work has already started, and we expect in the next 6 weeks or so we'll have our first release of that, and we'll start building from there. It's hard to say how long the entire project's going to go, probably another 18 months or so.
Excellent. Pradeep Sitaram, thank you so much.
Thank you.